Dear students, welcome to our class on humidity bits basics 1. Why I am calling it as basics 1 is even for your midterm theory final exams, bits would come in introductory agrometeorology, climate change course for basics. That's why from there to even JRF, SRF, even the next questions may be. That's why. So now let's go straight into what is humidity. The first bit in humidity is the water vapor content in the atmosphere is known as dash or in the multiple choice. Okay, it may be asked. The water vapor content in the atmosphere is known as humidity. Now, when once we talk of water vapor content, just the possible bits are in the first chapter. The water vapor content present in the atmosphere ranges from 0.02 to 4%. This bit will come in the atmosphere bits. Okay, just for your academic interest, once again I am repeating. Now, see what are the terms of expression of humidity. Okay, so terms of expression of humidity means forms of humidity or types of humidity, or this is the terms of expression of humidity means mass based, saturation based. What is mass based? Mass means weight based. Now see, first you talk of mass based specific humidity. What is specific humidity? Simple. First you learn the bits will come like this. The units of measurement of specific humidity is grams per kg. Grams of water vapor per kg of air is the specific humidity. So it is defined as the mass of water vapor present in a sample of moist air. The mass of water vapor present in a sample of moist air to the total mass of the sample. Total mass of the sample is, say for example, take 1 kg. How many grams are there? So specific grams of water vapor in kg of air. Now absolute humidity. Now grams of water vapor present in a cubic meter area we have taken. Now so in bits type the line will come like this. The actual mass of water vapor, because this is under the mass based. The mass of the actual mass of water vapor present in a given volume of moist air. Given volume of moist air. So if you take a cubic meter area, so how many grams of water vapor is there? Grams per cubic meter is the units of measurement of absolute humidity. Now the third one is the mixing ratio. Usually mixing ratio is compared with dry air, not moist air. Dry air is the mixing ratio. Okay, now what is the definition? The ratio of mass of water vapor. Because once again I am telling you for your academic interest, mix okay is mixing ratio is the mass based one. The ratio of mass of water vapor present as compared to kg of dry air, not moist air, unlike in the absolute and specific humidity. Of course, saturation based. The first one is the relative humidity. The definition will come like this. The amount of water vapor present, the ratio of amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere to the amount of water vapor required for saturation is known as dash relative humidity. The units of measurement of relative humidity is percent. So these two bits will come. The next one is the vapor pressure deficit. Very simple. VPD we call it as very simple line. How it appears in the exams I will read. The difference between the saturated vapor pressure and the actual vapor pressure is known as vapor pressure deficit. And the final one, as far as saturation based is dew point. This is very interesting. Always this appears. Now, so how the temperature to which a given parcel of air must be cooled at constant pressure and constant water vapor content in order to become saturated. This is what we call it as the dew point. So relative saturation basis, the relative humidity, vapor pressure deficit and dew point. Now as far as the basic term of saturation, one bit will come in the saturation. What is that bit? For your academic interest I will tell. So saturation is defined as a condition of atmosphere. This line will come. A condition of atmosphere at which maximum amount of water vapor is held at a particular temperature is known as dash saturation. It may be given in the multiple choices in the JRF, SRF and NET. Soil moisture. This is very interesting. Okay, soil moisture is in the soil. Okay, there is a possibility for a bit like this. The difference between the field capacity and permanent yielding point. The difference between the field capacity and permanent yielding point is known as water holding capacity of the soil. This is the bit. Thank you very much. May God bless you.